that is actually spot on 100mm. I'm just going to pour that straight into there, another 100mm. Oh, I'm going to take this plastic cap off. That is spot on 100mm each. If I was doing everything from scratch and I know what I'm doing, then I would probably mix all the paint I actually really need. Give it a good stir. In fact, it's really runny. I'm surprised how runny it is. And I'm just going to practice on those test sheets there, because I've never done this before and I haven't got a clue. Filter here, and that's going to just pour straight into there. I'm just going to do a little bit and see how we go. I should put it over there a little bit more. I'm just going to use half of that. Just have a quick go and see what actually happens. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever tried it, so yeah, bear with me. Let's say about that thumb to finger, roughly. Now to me, that is two bigger holes. So I think I need more air pressure. No, that's too much. It's hard to know what actually is right on that, rather than actually someone actually telling me what's actually right. To me, they look like quite big spots. The big spots need to up the pressure. This is the first time I put paint on. Bit happy with that.
Right, it's going on okay, I think. There's a couple of little runs, but I don't think it's going to be a major issue. I can sort that out tomorrow. But I've got two more pieces to do. I've got this one, and then I've got the door frame to. No, I've got the door frame to do. It is very, very funky in there. That's the problem with working in the garage. There's no ventilation, which is not good. So anyway, let's crack on and finish off these two pieces. Oh shit, not right. Just not fit with me t-shirt. Oh well. Put a bit more there. That's piece. That's piece. That's it. This piece here. Then I'm done. Look at the dust. Look at that. That's just everywhere. So what I've got to put in these bungs. Now if I put these bungs in now, into there, that's going to stop. That's going to stop the paint. Oh god. That's going to stop the paint getting into these threads and causing a problem.